Uniswap value equivalent to $4.8990 a coin. The present reach, $4.8580, $4.9510. The earlier day close, $4.9050. The change was 0.0060. 0.12%. Backwards rate. United States dollars to UNA. Uniswap value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Uniswap cost expectation for August 2023. At the outset cost at $6.53. Most extreme cost $6.69. Least cost $3.57. The normal for the month $5.16. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $3.84. Change for August 41.2%. UNA to United States dollars expectations for September 2023. Initially cost at $3.84. Most extreme cost $4.43. Least cost $3. The normal for the month $3.63. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $3.23. Change for September 15.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for October 2023. UNA to United States dollars forecasts for January 2024. To start with cost at $3.63. Greatest cost $3.63. Least cost $3.04. The normal for the month $3.39. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $3.27. Change for January 9.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for February 2024. First and foremost cost at $3.27. Greatest cost $3.27. Least cost $2.84. The normal for the month $3.11. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $3.05. Change for February 6.7%. UNA to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. In the first place cost at $3.05. Greatest cost $3.23. Least cost $2.81. The normal for the month $3.03. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $3.02. Change for spring 1.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for April 2024. To start with cost at $3.02. Greatest cost $3.75. Least cost $3.02. The normal for the month $3.32. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.50. Change for April 15.9%. UNA to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. Initially cost at $3.50. Most extreme cost $3.50. Least cost $2.87. The normal for the month $3.24. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $3.09. Change for May 11.7%. Uniswap cost expectation for June 2024. In the first place cost at $3.09. Greatest cost $3.09. Least cost $2.42. The normal for the month $2.80. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $2.60. Change for June 15.9%. UNA to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. First and foremost cost at $2.60. Greatest cost $3. Least cost $2.60. The normal for the month $2.75. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $2.80. Change for July 7.7%. Uniswap cost expectation for August 2024. To start with cost at $2.80. Most extreme cost $3.16. Least cost $2.74. The normal for the month $2.91. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $2.95. Change for August 5.4%. Uniswap cost expectation for October 2025. Before all else cost at $1.11. Most extreme cost $1.34. Least cost $1.11. The normal for the month $1.20. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $1.25. Change for October 12.6%. UNA to United States dollars expectations for November 2025. First and foremost cost at $1.25. Greatest cost $1.25. Least cost 98 cents. The normal for the month $1.13. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.05. Change for November 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for December 2025. Initially cost at $1.05. Most extreme cost $1.05. Least cost 82 cents. The normal for the month 95 cents. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end 88 cents. Change for December 16.2%. UNA to United States dollars expectations for January 2026. In the first place, cost at $0.88. Greatest cost $1.09. Least cost 88 cents. The normal for the month 97 cents. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $1.02. Change for January 15.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for February 2026. To start with, cost at $1.02. Greatest cost $1.26. Least cost $1.02. The normal for the month $1.12. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $1.18. Change for February 15.7%. UNA to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2026. In the first place, cost at $1.18. Greatest cost $1.47. Least cost $1.18. The normal for the month $1.30. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $1.37. Change for spring 16.1%. Uniswap cost expectation for April 2026. Initially cost at $1.37. Most extreme cost $1.70. Least cost $1.37. The normal for the month $1.51. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $1.59. Change for April 16.1%. UNA to United States dollars expectations for May 2026. First and foremost, cost at $1.59. Greatest cost $1.63. Least cost $1.41. The normal for the month $1.54. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $1.52. Change for May 4.4%. Uniswap cost expectation for June 2026. Before all else, cost at $1.52. Most extreme cost $1.88. Least cost $1.52. The normal for the month $1.67. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.76. Change for June 15.8%. UNA to United States dollars expectations for July 2026. Initially cost at $1.76. Most extreme cost $1.81. Least cost $1.57. The normal for the month $1.71. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $1.69. Change for July 4.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for August 2026. First and foremost, cost at $1.69. Greatest cost $1.88. Least cost $1.64. The normal for the month $1.74. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $1.76. Change for August 4.1%. UNA to United States dollars expectations for September 2026. At the outset, cost at $1.76. Most extreme cost $1.96. Least